Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console and controller. Make sure the Xbox One has a stable power supply and the controller has fresh batteries or a charged pack. Once done, update the console if it hasn't been recently. System updates can affect pairing. Next, plug in a USB cable between controller and console to force a wired connection. This both pairs and charges, so you can skip wireless steps if you need immediate use. You'll now switch to wireless pairing. From the console, go to Settings, then Devices and Connections to confirm Bluetooth is off and that the controller is ready. Press and hold the controller's pair button until the Xbox button blinks rapidly. This signals pairing mode. Then press the console's pair button. The light will blink and then become steady when paired. Make sure you're within a few meters and remove heavy interference like routers or other wireless devices for best success. You finish by confirming the controller is fully functional. Open Accessories in Settings and run the device test to check buttons, sticks, and triggers. If the controller won't stay connected, plug it in with the USB cable to re-establish pairing, and then remove the cable to test wireless again. If problems persist, power cycle the console and controller, swap batteries, or try another USB cable or port. Often a bad cable or low battery is the single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.